Introduction. Hey, connect to world pals. Today, let's explore the term heroin. It's not just a word, there's more to this substance. Let's navigate through the complexities of this topic. Meaning. So, heroin is a powerful and illegal opioid drug derived from morphine. It's known for its highly addictive nature and is associated with various health risks and social challenges. Usage. Imagine discussing the impact of heroin addiction on individuals and communities, or exploring efforts to address the opioid crisis. Examples. Think of the dangers of heroin abuse or the importance of education and rehabilitation programs to combat its negative effects. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻhɛroʊɪn. A term that warrants serious consideration in discussions about substance abuse, right? Different uses. Ever heard of heroin detoxification? It's a crucial step in the recovery process for individuals overcoming addiction. Conclusion. If the topic of heroin sparks your interest in discussions about substance abuse and recovery, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more informative word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.